Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today we're making air fryer onions. These sauteed onions are tender and delicious. They go great on top of hot dogs, brats, burgers, or steak, and they also taste amazing on wraps or sandwiches. For the ingredients, you'll need 1 large yellow onion, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Let's start by preheating the air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 15 minutes. Next, slice the onion into 1/4 inch thick whole onion rings. Brush both sides of the onion rings with some olive oil. And then season with salt and pepper. Add the onion slices to the air fryer and cook 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure to flip them halfway through. Once done, give the onions a good stir, remove them from the air fryer, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me for more easy air fryer recipes.